You're right there, my name's Brian Joe. Please like and subscribe, much appreciated. Like my brother Tupac would have said. Metaphorical brother, don't want to cause no beef between his ma and da. Right, today I'm going to give you my damp proofing secrets, because unfortunately this room is wetter than Philip Schofield's pillar. So what it is the walls are outside, they're dankard, which means, like old people, they don't hold water anymore. So we're going to put this liquid damper proof paint on there. It's a 2-coat job, 24 hours between each coat, unfortunately, which lasts out the job, which you don't want, but it's good stuff apparently. So hopefully, I mean, honestly, danking can cost thousands, so if this can help, be a godsend, because there's nothing worse than mould and wet in a room. It really is. It's a killer, mate, on the soul and everything. So we're going to give this a crack, and hopefully it does the trick. Right, this is where we're going to put this stuff. We're going to put it up here, all around this bit, and up there. What we're going to use, dry base. So let's see how good this stuff is. Alright, this stuff is really runny, yeah. Give it a good mix, but it's like water. Just be careful we don't spread it everywhere, because it's not going to come off anything. Good thing about this stuff is it don't smell, so you can use it. You don't have to worry about someone in the room downstairs having to smell it all day. Yeah, this wall is the problem wall, I can tell. So I'm just going to cake this stuff in over here. It's all cracked. This bit's all just had years and years of coats of paint on it. I'm tempted just to crack it off, but they haven't paid me to do that, so I'm just going to put all damp proofing on it.